In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Steam Wallet with GCash. If you want to add funds to your Steam account quickly and pay using GCash, this process is simple and usually only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. First, open Steam and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one profile. This is important because the funds will be added directly to the Steam wallet of the account that is currently logged in. Once you're inside Steam, click your profile name and then go to Account Details. This section gives you access to your wallet balance, payment options, and account-related settings. If you're not sure where to find wallet options, this is the right place to begin. From there, select Add Funds to your Steam wallet. This will take you to the page where Steam shows the available wallet top-up amounts. These are preset amounts, so you'll need to choose from the options shown on screen rather than entering a custom value. Next, choose the amount you want to add. Take a moment to check the value carefully before continuing. It's a good idea to make sure your GCash balance is enough to cover the amount you selected, along with any possible payment processing requirements shown during checkout. After that, select GCash as your payment method. Steam may display several payment options depending on your region, so look carefully and choose GCash from the list. This tells Steam that you want to complete the transaction using your mobile wallet instead of a card or another payment service. Once GCash is selected, follow the payment instructions shown on screen and complete the payment in the GCash app. During this part, you may be redirected to a payment page or prompted to confirm the transaction through GCash. Read each prompt carefully to avoid mistakes and make sure the payment is fully confirmed before closing any window or returning to Steam. After a successful payment, the funds are usually added to your Steam wallet instantly. In most cases, your updated wallet balance will appear right away, and you'll be ready to use it for games, downloadable content, or in-game purchases available through Steam. And that's it. That's how to buy Steam Wallet with GCash. If you're doing this for the first time, just go slowly, double check the amount, and complete the payment carefully to make the process smooth and hassle-free.